and 6th grade. Here too I am introduced our Spectropy, or they ask feedback with us. First, we have to gain knowledge and we have to go in a best direction. What they teach now before the part, then we should go in that way and we should get like in the Sai, he had in a correct direction and he went in that direction. Then he has got any appreciation. Then we should also be in a same way. We should got all appreciations about that and we should get all. Thank you.
Thank you. Express your marks. Like there are 20 marks maximum. You got 15 marks. How do you express? I got 15 marks out of 20. That 15 by 20 is the ratio. What are you expressing? Your obtained marks are compared with your maximum marks. Actually, that Kranti was trying to say the perfect application. What is that perfect application? When distance traveled is compared with the time taken, that is the speed. Speed is actually ratio. When you are able to apply your ratio concept in maths to the practical application of this ratio in the physics, speed is actually ratio if you understand that you are learning the concept in right direction. Instead of by hearting simply what is speed? Distance by time. It is not distance by time. Distance traveled is compared with the time taken. The comparison is done with the mathematical tool is ratio. So mathematics is a tool to understand science. What is mathematics? It is a tool to understand science. To understand nature simply. Understanding nature is a science. Yes. And what is fraction? Yes. Wait. Don't shout. Fraction is a part in whole. Yes. Okay. There might be some difference in the communication, but the expression is right. Part of something, right? That is a fraction. Fraction and ratio, are they both same or different? She is attempting. Let her answer, please. That is your good name. Same. Are they both same? If they both are same, why are we studying in different chapters? No. Sorry. Let me explain. That is why you need foundation. Actually, to say about the fraction, you are using or you are applying the concept ratio here. Actually, she has to compare some part with the whole part. Yes, comparison only, some part of the whole. To compare this, she is using the concept ratio. I hope you got it. That is why you try to understand the subject in the right direction. What is the foundation of the SR Vidyaniketan? Learning concept in right direction. What is our foundation? Concept in
Grade 7 Sapphire. Now I am going to take feedback. This feedback is our knowledge. This feedback foundation is our knowledge to success. If we follow this foundation, our IQ level will higher than this.
Thank you.